Hi guys, in a previous video I showed you I'd made a quick release bracket, as I call it, for my phone to fit into my tripod. In another video I showed you I made up these dead cats, as I call them, or pop filters. They're supposed to stop popping noise when you speak and you use lots of S's and P's. They get recorded, which you don't want. So I made them, and I've decided to make another set. So at this moment I'm recording this with my Samsung Galaxy and my, where are we? Fujifilm? No, not Fuji, Canon, isn't it? Canon PowerShot, remember it now? Canon PowerShot SX60HS. This is my favourite camera, and I was using it for everything. But since I've got my new Samsung Galaxy, I've been using that. This is all getting a bit confusing. I'm waffling, aren't I? Let's make it simple. I'm using this camera at the moment so that I can actually show you the setup on the Samsung Galaxy. So the quick release clamp fits on the tripod, and then across the front of it I've got this springy thing that holds the two ear muffs in place on the Samsung. So I've printed new ones, put the springy bit on it, so that's all working. I've changed the bottom of the clamp and the top of the clamp slightly. Bottom of the clamp, I've just put a few ridges there just to grip the bottom of the phone. And the top of the clamp, I've made that wider because if I look with my Canon, you can actually see that one's split. So it still works absolutely fine, even though it's split. But this one I've made wider, and I've been using this one for quite a while now. But I thought I'd make myself a second set of ear muffs, I can call them now. So, and fit the springy thing, and what I thought I might do was glue the springy thing on the back so that it's always there and I don't lose it. Interestingly enough, I'm using the glass print bed on my printer, 3D printer. I've only just started using it. I've only done a few prints, and every time I try to print this springy thing on its own, without any what do we call that bit? Raft, isn't it? They call that a raft. If I print it on its own, it was failing every time. It just wasn't sticking to the bed. Everything else I printed was stuck fine, but for some reason it just refused to stick. So I printed that one with a raft, but the others have just been printed straight. Oh, what a lot of waffle. How long have we been going? Only 4 minutes, it seems long with that. All I'm going to do is stick some hairy stuff over the microphone holes. And as I say, I'll probably stick that straight on the back so it's all in one place. Right, I can stop filming with that now. Let's see if this will come off nicely or whether it's going to break. and ruin my day. Right, that came off. So we super glue that on the back of there. And that just means I don't lose them. And these, yeah, that's the microphone and speaker, I think. Let's just look on this one. Yeah, microphone and speaker there. That's the power, and that is the external headset. And then that's the microphone on there. The only thing we got to watch out is when we put this on, we don't want it to go all the way over the front and get in the way of the lens. I mean, it only has to cover that hole. I will end up sticking it to my fingers. That's the way things go, isn't it? I'll trim that up with scissors in a minute. In fact, I need scissors now, don't I? Right, this is what we don't want. We don't want it hanging down over that gap there, because that's where the speaker is. Speaker, microphone. That one really doesn't matter, so it's not going to be over anything. I suppose your fingers could get in the way. Right, so that's going to go on there. Oh, I am going to need that phone again, so I need to put it on and then judge where I need to put that to line up. I could glue them on there first. Yeah. Should have measured this, shouldn't I? It's not going to matter a lot because they're flexible. Right, I'll take this phone off, stick that on it, glue it in place. Right, well, there we are, in place. So, he's going to be a little bit tight the first few times of use. So there we go. What a wonderful design, Grandad. It's only glued right in the middle, so we've still got all the flexibility there. It's just that I find quite often I take that off and leave it in one place and then want that in another place. So now I should be able to put this in like that. And there we are, back in business. Wasn't that fun? I do hope I haven't put those too high up, getting lined up with the bottom lens there. Certainly it's okay for the filming that I do. Yep, that'll do. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.